Hello everyone. Very good afternoon to all my dears. How are you? All are fine? Very nice. I hope you all are fine, safe at your home and enjoy your online studies. Online studies like do your homework, do your classwork. Okay? And you see all the videos and follow. So now which period is going on? Tell me. Which subject is going on? Math subject. In math subject, we have done all the numbers from 1 to 100, number names from 1 to 20, reverse counting from 50 to 1. Okay, we have done all this. So now we will start addition. Okay, now we will add the picture. Okay, first we add the picture and then we add the numbers. So first we add the picture. So write down the heading. First you take out your math notebook. Fast, your pencil and your eraser and write with me. Okay, open your math notebook, open new page and write down the heading. Count and add. The heading is count and add. C-O-U-N-T, count, A-N-D, and add. Count and add. What is the meaning of add? When we add two things. Okay, this is your only one finger and this is your one finger. Now you add all fingers, so 1 and 2, the number is 2. So like this we will add the pictures. Okay, so on number 1, make the picture of apple, the sign of add is like this. This is a plus sign. Okay, so make here plus sign and make more apple. Equal. Okay, so first you count the thing. First you count the thing. First is count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay, now we will count all together. Okay, this is 3 and this is 2. Now all together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which number we will get? Number 5. So on this block we will write the number 5. Right here, number 5. Okay, so you understand the method of count and add. First you count the thing. 1, 2, 3. 3 apples are there, and here after plus sign, 2 apples are there. So 3 plus 2 is equal to number 5. The thing is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So number is 5. Write here number 5. Like this we will do all the examples. After number 1, which number will come? Number 2. Write number 2 and make the picture of Now first you add the mangoes. How many mangoes are there? How many mangoes are there? Count it. Okay. First you count mangoes. How many mangoes before the plus sign? 1, 2. Okay. Now here only 1. Now we will count all together before plus sign and after plus sign. 1, 2 and 3. So 2 plus 1 is number 3. Which number we will get? Number 3. So write here number 3. Write here number 3. How many mangoes are there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Copy from the board. Okay, after number 2, number 3 will come. Write here number 3. Make circle over here. 1, 2 plus 1, 2. Now first you count the circle. Okay, first you count the circle before the plus sign and after the plus sign. 1, 2. How many circles are there? 2. Now here also 1, 2. 2 circles are there. Now we will count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which number we will get? Which number we will get? Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here number 4. So 2 plus 2 equals to 4. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. So write here number 4. Write number 4. After number 3, write number 4. Write fast all the examples. After number 1, drop one line, then write number 2. After number 2, drop one line, write number 3. After number 3, drop one line, write number 4. Okay? आपको वन लाइन ड्रॉप करके ही राइट करना है, ऐसे नहीं लिखना है. 1 नंबर लिखना है, फिर 1 लाइन ड्रॉप करना है, फिर 2 नंबर, देन 3 नंबर, देन 4 नंबर. Before, between the numbers, we will draw one line. Okay? So write number 4. Before number 4, you write all the 3 examples. Write fast. Write in your notebook. Okay, after number 3, write number 4 and make the picture of triangles. Okay, make the picture of triangles. How many triangles are there before the plus sign and after the plus sign? Count it. Here only 1, write number 1. Here only 1, write number 1. Now, how many triangles are there before and before plus sign or after plus sign? Let's count together. 1, 2. How many triangles are there? Only 2. So, in this block, write number 2. this block, write number 2. Okay, then write number 5. Write fast, number 4. Now we will make rectangle. Okay, on number 5 we will make rectangle plus rectangle and rectangle equals make one block. So now count it before the plus sign and after the plus sign. Here only 1, write only number 1, and here how many rectangles are there? 1, 2, 3. Write here number 3. So 1 plus 3 is, let's count together. 1 plus 3 is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus 3 is number 4. So number 4, write a base block. Write here number 4. 1 plus 3 is also number 4, and 2 plus 2 is also number 4. Okay. In your mind, 2 plus 2 is also 4 and 1 plus 3 is also 4. Okay, copy from the board all the 5. After this, we will write next example. So write fast all the number 5s. Okay, so now I have no space. I have no space after number 5. So that's why I am write here, but you write down now. Okay, आपको 5 के नीचे ही लिखना है नंबर 6. मेरे पास स्पेस नहीं है इसलिए मैं यहाँ लिखूंगी. Okay, so write number 6 after number 5. Drop one line and write number 6. Okay, and erase the heading. Okay, number 6 I write here. Note down number 6 and make the picture of kite. Now let us count the picture before the plus sign and after the plus sign. Count it. Here only 1, write here number 1, and here 1 and 2. 1 and 2, write here number 2. What is 1 plus 2? Let us count together all the picture. 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 right here. So 2 plus 1 is also 3 and 1 plus 2 is also number 3. Okay. Right here all number 6. After number 6 write number 7. Okay, on number 7 we will make the picture of flowers. Okay, you write after number 5. आपको 5 के नीचे 6 और 7 लिखना है ना, आपको ऊपर नहीं लिखना है. I have no space, that's why I write here. But you write down. You write on your page till the last line. Okay, so now we will count flowers. First you count before the plus sign, then you count after the plus sign. So how many flowers are there? 1, 2. Write here number 2. And here how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now make equal signs and make one box. Now what is 2 plus 3? What is 2 plus 3? Don't know. So now we will count together all those things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 3 is number 5. 2 plus 3 is number 5 and 3 plus 2 is also number 5. Okay, click in your mind. 2 plus 3 is also 5 and 3 plus 2 is also 5. Okay, so all the 7 examples write in your notebook. Okay, you check your number like all things are together. Like in number 3, how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write number 4. Check your answer. This is correct. Example number 4. How to check? You things all together. Okay, things count all together. 1, 2. This is number 2, so this is correct. Number 5. How many rectangles? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. Here 4 correct. Your answer is correct. So this is the checking method. Number 6. Count all things together. 1, 2, 3. This is number 3. So 3 is correct. Number 7. How many flowers? Your answer is correct. So check your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number is 5 is correct. So this is the checking method. We will count the things all together. So this is the count and add. Write in your notebook fast. Okay. So this is the count and add. In your next video we will count more things. Okay. 6 to 10. This is only 1 to 5 counting. After in your next video we will start 6 to 10. So now your video is over. Now bye and have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.